Today's topic is directional troweling, the #1 way to get perfect coverage on most any tile installation. Let me give you a few tips. #1, make sure you have a flat substrate. #2, make sure you mix your mortar correctly. #3, make sure you're using the right size trowel for the right size tile. #4, trowel the mortar in a single direction, pushing it perpendicular to that, escaping the air. #5, make sure you're pulling up tiles regularly to check your coverage. If you do these simple things, this system will last a lifetime. And for our bonus tip, check out this video right here. I made it just for you. But before you click, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Let's keep learning together and tile the world.